to Nguyet is a wild waterfall, hidden at the foot of Gia Back Pass, Linh, Lam Dong Province. The spot is completely untouched, with no commercial tourism services or man-made structures. Its main feature is a three-tier waterfall system, fed by the Bra Yang mountain range, with the highest tier dropping about 15 meters straight into a wide pool below. The area is well known for its massive, water-smooth boulders, and a crystal-clear stream that stays cold year-round. Reaching the falls is quite adventurous, requiring visitors to hike about 3 kilometers down a steep, rocky dirt trail used by local farmers. Thanks to the rugged forest and stream environment, visitors can enjoy various self-guided outdoor activities. The adventure starts with a hike through the dense forest, navigating steep slopes to reach the valley floor. Once at the base of the waterfall, you can swim in the natural rock pools to cool off, or enjoy a thrill by sliding down the smooth, mossy rocks. Wading through the shallows to catch small river fish, hiding in the rocky gaps is another fun option. The flat ground along the stream is also the ideal spot for independent overnight camping. Because there are no public facilities available, campers must bring their own gear to pitch tents, build campfires, cook BBQ dinners, and enjoy a genuine wilderness experience in the open mountain air.